Be honest. How many times have you found yourself dishing out expert advice for free, only to wonder, wait, why am I not getting paid for this? Well, if you're tired of being the go to person without the get paid status, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to unlock the secret to turning what you already know into serious cash. No more freebie advice. It's time to start monetizing your expertise. And trust me, you're about to discover just how easy it can be. Let's get to it.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, real talk. Have you ever been that person? The one at a party who get cornered by someone saying, "Can I just pick your brain for a minute?" And suddenly you find yourself giving a TED talk on something you are an expert in, but somehow nobody is paying you for it. Yeah, we've all been there. You are the go to person for tech advice, business strategies, and relationship advice. Whatever it is, you know your stuff. But when are we going to stop giving away all this expertise for free and start turning it into cold hard cash? Today, we are diving into the magical world of monetizing your expertise. That's right, guys. It's time to get paid for what you know. So, buckle up, grab a snack, and let's get into it. Step one, the value of your knowledge, the $1 million mind. First thing first, your brain. Yes, this squishy thing up here is worth a lot more than you think. If you have spent hours learning, researching, practicing, or gaining experience, congratulations, you are sitting on a gold mine of knowledge. But here's the kicker: most people don't realize just how valuable their expertise is. Whether you've been building websites, making killer homemade candles, or offering spot on career advice for years, people are willing to pay for what you know. The catch, you haven't asked them yet. Think about it. Every late night spent perfecting your skills, every trial and error moment, and every aha breakthrough has prepared you for this. You are sitting on a gold mine, my friend. So, what's holding you back? Fear, doubt, not knowing where to start? Let's break those barriers and unlock your earning potentials. It's time to monetize your mastery, share your expertise, get paid, and live the life you deserve. Your brain is worth more than you think. Start cashing in. Well, today we are going to fix that. Let's take that knowledge out of the freebie zone and into the make it rain zone. Shall we? Step two, find your niche, your profitable passion. All right, the first step in monetizing your expertise is finding your niche. And I know, every time I say find your niche, an eye somewhere in the world is rolling. But trust me, this is key, the game changer. Your niche is where your passion, skills, and what people actually need intersect. Think about it this way: what are you really good at? What do you love talking about? And what are people always asking you for help with? Your niche is where these three essential elements collide. One, what you are very good at. Two, what gets you excited. And three, what people desperately need help with. Think about it. What is your superpower? What do friends and family constantly ask your advice on? Ask yourself, what problems can I solve? What keeps people up at night? And how can I be the answer? Answer that, and you will unlock a world of monetization opportunities. Whether it is dog training for busy owners, copywriting for struggling businesses, fashion styling for confidence boosts, and productivity hacks for overwhelmed entrepreneurs, someone out there is willing to pay for your solution. Your niche is your ticket to financial freedom, personal fulfillment, and impactful connections. So, take the first step. Discover your niche and start solving problems. Your profitable passion awaits. Go find it. And step three, packaging your expertise, the ultimate game changer. Now that you have found your niche, let's talk packaging because you can't just run around town screaming, I know stuffs, pay me. That won't cut it. Seriously, packaging your expertise is crucial. So instead, you've got options and lots of them. Here is how you can package your knowledge and expertise in a way that people will actually pay for. These are five profitable packaging options. One, online courses. Here, you share your step by step process. You teach, inspire, and you get paid. Two, coaching and consulting. Offer personalized solution. One-on-one sessions equals to high demand. Three, ebooks or guide. Share expertise in a digestible format. Write, publish, and profit. Four, webinars or workshop. Teach live, answer questions, and get paid. And five, membership communities. Exclusive access equals to loyal followers. Create a members holy hub for ongoing advice, resources, and support. C. You don't need to sell a single physical product to make money. You just need to package what you already know. Think of it like gift, wrapping your brand for your audience. Now, which packaging option resonates with you? Start monetizing your mastery. Step 4, pricing your expertise. Getting paid what you are worth. Now, let's talk money. Pricing your valuable services. You have found your niche and package your expertise. It is time to determine your worth. How much do you charge? Pricing can be daunting, but don't sweat it. You've got this. Here's what not to do. Don't undervalue yourself due to fear. You are worth more than you think. Do some research. Look at what others in your niche are charging. Understand market rates, but don't be afraid to price higher if you deliver exceptional results. You are selling transformative experiences like fitness, business growth, and new skills. Two, time saving solutions. And three, energy boosting expertise. Your pricing should reflect all this. And remember, people are willing to pay for solutions that saves them time and energy. Consider your expertise level, time investment, client success stories, unique selling points, and competition. Use these factors to set confident, competitive prices. Charge for the result you deliver, not just hours worked. Clients want solution, not just information. Remember, people pay premium for convenience, expert guidance, proven result, and personalized support. You offer that. Own your worth. Now, go price your expertise with confidence. You got this. Step 5, marketing yourself. Becoming the go-to expert. Let's talk marketing. The secret sauce to getting noticed. Because even if you have the world-best course, books, or coaching program, nobody will buy it if they don't know about it. Here's the good news. You don't need to scream into a megaphone or shout from the rooftop to get noticed. You've got powerful tools at your fingertips. Social media, blogs, YouTube. These are your free tools to promote yourself. Build a presence on platforms where your audience hangs out. Share tips, behind the scenes content, and little nuggets of value. That way, when it's time to sell your course or books, your audience will already see you as the expert. Focus on 2 to 3 platforms where your audience thrives. For example, Facebook for community building, Instagram for visual storytelling, and LinkedIn for professional networking. Share actionable tips, behind the scenes moments, personal anecdotes, and industry news and updates. Consistency is key. Show up, engage, and provide value. Become the hero your audience needs. Be their go to expert. Establish your online presence. Share your expertise and attract loyal followers. Start marketing yourself today. And this brings us to the final step, step 6, the last on my list: overcoming imposter syndrome. Now, let's get real for a second. You might be thinking, who am I to charge people for my knowledge? Am I really an expert? Welcome to the world of imposter syndrome. Here's the deal: you don't need to know everything to be an expert. You just need to know more than the person you are helping. Plus, you are always learning and growing. So, embrace that. And lastly, I would say go and monetize that your expertise. So, what are you waiting for? You've got the knowledge, you've got the steps. Go out there and monetize your expertise. Remember, people are willing to pay for what you know. Stop giving it away for free and start getting paid for your brilliance. Chase to turning your expertise into income. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to grow your business, make money, and live your best life. Now, go make that money. See you in the next video.